Hey everybody. So this is an attempt at a really cool green yellow look, which I had no plans on doing. I just kind of looked at the palette and said, what colors should I do today? Something bright, neon almost. So yeah, just putting on all the different colors and messing around. And then I go in with the little Glisten Cosmetics water activated liner to do kind of a cute hollow cat eye winged liner sort of thing. I thought I was going to fill it in, but it kind of looked nice, just hollow like that and thickening up the lines right here. Also, I'm highly considering doing voiceovers where I talk about how I'm taking the video or, actually how I edit the videos afterwards. Would anybody be interested in that? Like what I use, only free apps and things on my phone that actually help me edit and post and create hashtags for my videos. It's something that my boyfriend's been asking me to kind of put together and help him with, to teach him. So maybe other people want to learn too. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.